Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. I miss you guys so much. I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded and I'm so sorry. You guys just bear with me. Be patient. I've been so extremely busy at work, and also I'm working on launching my clothing line, so building my website and doing photo shoot with the models. You guys, I have been extremely busy, so just bear with me and I will get back to uploading really soon. I do have some great videos that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So in today's video, we are going to do some deep cleaning in my master bedroom, which I'm really excited about it because I just purchased a new Bissell spot clean and I'm so excited about using it. So we're going to do some deep cleaning in my bedroom, and we're also going to do some fall decor in here because it's that time of the year. You guys know I love fall. Also, I want you to look forward to some more upcoming fall decorate with me videos that I have that will be coming out really soon. But without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and get started with the video. All right, you guys, here's the Bissell spot cleaner. Y'all so excited about using this. However, it did come with some kind of cleaning solution. I was really apprehensive about using it because I haven't used this equipment before, and this is my first time actually cleaning my upholstery. So I just made some little soapy water. I think that'll be suffice for right now, but I just wanted to just clean it. It's not in bad condition or anything like that, but I just want to do a nice spot clean on it. So you guys, let's go ahead and get started using it. I'm so excited about using this. All right, you guys, I decided to step out of my comfort zone. You know how I feel about my white sheets, my white comforters, everything white except for pillows. However, I went on ahead and decided, let me go ahead and step outside of my comfort zone. So I really got a nice sheet set from Burlington, actually, and it's this nice print. I love it. It has all those beautiful fall colors in it. So yeah, you guys, I decided to do something a little bit different, but I like it. Okay, you guys, I can admit to something, going out and decorating for like my pillows and, comforters and throws and stuff. You guys, I just been saving myself the headache because I can't find anything in the stores, but I just been ordering a lot of stuff online. So the pillows that you see here, I actually ordered a lot of this stuff from Amazon. I'll do my best to link where I got the items in my description box below.